we can give ourselves a nice skin tint. So wait, if I make this like green. Ah, yes, excellent. Full-blown jaundice, just the way we like it. And now for some creepy, soulless eyes. Okay, yeah, there we go. No hair, no eyebrows, no problem. Oh, now we get to set the
Here's
pose.
the reason it was still spinning when it was off is because I just turned it on.
You know, when I was thinking of pose, this isn't quite what I thought was going to happen. Okay, so this top one controls their jaw, and the bottom one controls their eyes. Okay, seriously, with this one, what am I supposed to do? Besides try to roll my eyes back into my head as far as I can. And obviously, we can't go mouth closed. Okay, so this is good. This is better. This is best.
It's blurry, of course. Of course it's blurry.
We did actually.
Will it ever not be blurry?
Okay. Hello? Oh, well, thank goodness nobody is home. I guess that means I'll just take notice. I mean, really, it's your own fault for leaving money lying around. It's a much bigger prize. Like this old keyboard, as you can see by request over here. We're supposed to steal all the computer parts. Okay, finally an American keyboard all for me. And not just that, but I can take whatever's in my hand and just shove it in my inventory, and now it's part of me. And now I can pick up more stuff. Because really, why not just steal everything? What about this monitor? This 30 hertz monitor. Can I fit this in my pocket too? Well,
This is a Hampton. If you guys want to know the name of this fan, this is a Hampton Bay Hawkins Hugger ceiling fan. Yeah. Not on a dimmer.
Well, I mean, why wouldn't I? The game wants me to take my bike to get out of here. But I'm kind of curious of something. Obviously, cars are going down this road. And I go ahead and just build my computer right here on the road. Oh, well, that was unexpected.
This thing is wobbly, kind of.
I basically have magic powers. Who knew this place was
Medium.
so powerful? That'll teach you to float on the water. All right, well, let's go take our bike and go. Oh, whoops. Hold on. Bike.
You hear it
Bike, I can do
vibrate.
some horseplay first. Why not? Oh no.
And see it. And it's
okay,
of course blurry. It's always blurry.
There's actually like people in too soon. Here we are, home sweet home.
Medium with the light off. Can't give you guys a top shot, but if I was able to. I'm just standing on the beanbag.
Let's take our computer desk right up against this wall. There we go, the perfect PC setup. And normally I'd be like, ugh, we need all this stuff to stream, but luckily we stole it all. So we've got our old keyboard and of course our mouse. We're gonna put
Here's low with the light off.
Yeehaw, it does. Can't forget about the finest monitor, which inexplicably we can place like right here. Oh, it's perfect.
Hi.
Oh, we have the zoomies. Okay, so be it. Very edge of the desk it is. Which means, of course, we're going to want to put the chair right in front of it.
Yeah.
Yes, there we go. Just fall into its arms. Okay, fine, you crybaby. Stay right there. And then we'll take this
Goodbye.
chair and we'll shove it